Hi, my name is Robert Chelle with Chelle Law, and my law firm assists healthcare professionals with employment contract and independent contractor agreement issues. Today I'm going to talk about what is CME. So CME stands for Continuing Medical Education. And so every healthcare provider is licensed through a licensing board, no matter what state you're in. And then let's just take a medical board, for instance. And each medical board will have their own requirements as far as how much CME a physician will have to complete on an annual basis. And then some states will do it annually. So the physician must complete 30 hours of continuing medical education, in 1 year. And then others will have maybe a rolling average. I know, for instance, I'm licensed in Indiana, in addition to Arizona, where I live. And Indiana has a 3-year rolling average that I have to get done, whereas Arizona, it's just set 15 hours per year. So first, identify how much is required by the licensing board. Now, on the employment side of things, if you are employed by a hospital, medical group, small physician-owned practice, whatever it is, the practice should pay an amount for your continuing medical education every year, in addition to providing some kind of time off. Now, as far as the amount provided, $3,500 is about the average that an employer would provide for continuing medical education for a physician on an annual basis. Some places a little bit more, some places a little bit less. I find that the larger healthcare networks hospitals are probably on the higher side. Physician-owned group might be on the lower side, but you shouldn't accept less than $3,500. Now, as far as how much time off is provided, this would depend upon the time off structure of the employer, but receiving anywhere between 3 to 5 additional days of time off would not be uncommon for continuing medical education. So when you think about time off, usually there's 4 factors. You have vacation, holidays, sick days, and then CME. So some employers will just group all of that into kind of one pot of time off. And so no matter what you do, if you're not there, you're taking, time out of that pot. Whereas others will break it down and say, like 15 days of vacation, 5 days of sick days, 6 or 7 federal holidays, and then 3 to 5 days off for CME. So that's what continuing medical education is. So look to your board to see how many you need per year, and then look to the employer to see how much they're going to pay for you to complete CMEs, and then also look to see how much time off you're going to get to complete those. So hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact my law firm at the phone number listed below in the description. You can reach us through our website, chellelaw.com. I appreciate you watching the video. Thanks.